What is up, guys? In this video, guys, I'm going to be showing you how to fix on YouTube. You'll get this update available. If you go to library and trending or subscriptions and stuff, you'll get this error loading tab to retry, and you're unable to use the YouTube on your iPhone. And because this is why it doesn't work, because you're on iOS 12, it doesn't update because you're on it requires the iOS 15 or later. But I show you how to fix it because the old iPhones don't support the iOS 15, and this is the problem. So if we go to our app store here, you'll see it requires the update, but it says requires iOS 15.0 or later. If you press update, you'll get this prompt. So if you press download, the prompt is going to keep popping up again, and again, because there's no update available. So in this video, I show you how to fix, how to make YouTube be working again on YouTube OS 17 and watch YouTube again on iOS 12.5.7. So the version I'm currently running. Let's go to our settings exactly here. General, about. I'm running the iOS 12.5.7. I'm using my iPhone 6. So this video, I'll show you how to fix error loading tab to retry. Anyways, and here we go. First, you must quit everything. And then, once you quit everything, if you're getting the prompt as well, don't worry, I'll fix it for you. You need to jailbreak your iPhone before you can fix the issue. It requires a jailbreak. So don't reinstall YouTube. It's not going to work, okay? You need to jailbreak your cell phone. And then with Chimera or Uncover, don't worry, it doesn't require Chimera, but you can use Uncover or Freya or Checkra too. So if you're using Chimera, you have Celio like me. You're going to have Celio. But if you're using Checkra, Freya, or Uncover, you will get Cydia. So, y'all know Cydia. It's another jailbreak tweak guy. So, I'm not using Cydia. So, instead, I want to use Celio. It's easier for me. So, if you're using Chimera again, you'll get the Celio, but the other jailbreaks, you'll get Cydia. So, once you're successfully jailbroken, open Celio or Cydia, and then if you're getting the prompt, you must go to sources, and then you need to go add this repo, go to all categories, and then install Let Me Pass. It's for both of them, Cydia and Celio. So once the Let Me Pass is installed, the next one is you need to install libhooker. So libhooker common. So libhooker common, and then you just press modify and then press install. I already installed this, so I don't need to reinstall the libhooker. And if you're using Cydia, you need to install the substitute and the substrate safe mode. So once you install them, go back, and then this time go back to sources, and then you need to install the file manager. Go here at the source, https takesoftware.com/cds/, and then there you'll find the file manager. Install the 64-bit. So click get, and then Q, confirm, and it will install your file manager. And then once it's finally installed, press done, and then close that out. You'll see FileSa, and then you need to open the FileSa file manager, and then this time you need to go to the /, and then after that go to var, go to containers, go to bundle, go to application, and then click YouTube, and then click YouTube app, and then go to the info list, press root, and then we have to change a couple of values to YouTube OS 20. So you must go to the App Store Once you find them, go to the App Store again. This time, type in YouTube. And then click YouTube and then find the version history. We're going to choose the latest one because it's better. So once we find them, the latest version is 20.12.4. So we need to change the value to that. So let's change that. 20.12.4 and then back. And then change that to also 20.12.4. And then go back. And then press save. And then press done. And then after that, once you're done, test the YouTube app and see if it works. So let's open YouTube now. See if the issue fixed or not. Now, as you can see, the YouTube is working again. Now, you can watch YouTube in peace. Let's go to my channel, search for my channel, and then you'll see it's working fine. But the problem is, you cannot play any video, so that I can go to my channel if I want, but for example, I can't play that video because we just jailbroke on my phone. So if you can't play from the search, don't worry, I'll fix it for you. Press the 3 dots and then press save to watch later. And then press C list. And then you can press play all.
Hello Transmanians, and welcome to another exciting journey
and then
video.
You can watch the video from there. So that's how the issue's working. You can watch the video
This
now
episode,
in peace,
I aborted Toronto
without interruption now. Now you won't get errors and problems. You can comment, you can subscribe, you can watch videos, but you have to watch from the watch later now. But please don't quit the app, because if you quit it, there's going to be crashing. So let's quit it. Quit everything. Open it again. There's going to be an issue. So let's open that up again. It will immediately crash this time. So let's open up. The YouTube will immediately crash. But don't worry, I'll fix that for you. To use YouTube without the crashing all the time. Don't worry. Go back to Celia or Cedia and then go to sources. This time, add files repo. Add that. Go to all categories and then install the app data and then modify, reinstall, install. I already installed it, so we're good. And then once we are done, you need to swipe up and then press clear app data and then press clear cache. And then open YouTube again, see if it works. And now as you can see, it's working perfectly fine. Now you can just watch YouTube in peace. You don't have to use your web browser. You can use your app now, the YouTube app again, because we fixed our issue. I will show you if we remove the version 20. If we change it back to YouTube OS 17, the error is going to come back. So I just want to show you that the issue will come back. So let's go back here, root. If we change this back to 17, so let's change it back to 17. I'll show you the error is going to come back. So put it back. I know you guys mustn't do this, but I'm just showing you guys, if you guys do this, the error is going to come back. So if you change this to 17.9.4 again, close FileSA, open YouTube again. I am seeing the update available again. So if we search for stuff again, the error loading tab to retry will of course come back. So don't worry, I'll show you that if you change it back to 17, of course the update available will come back. So you have to change it. You have to keep it on 20. That way your YouTube will work perfectly fine. So let's change it. I'm gonna change it back to YouTube 20.12.4, and then again 20.12.4, and then save, and then done. And then quit everything. Let's open YouTube again. It definitely will work this time. So I showed you if you change it back to YouTube OS 17, the issue will of course come back. So now you can watch your YouTube video in peace, and you can play any video you want. If you're watching videos from the whole screen, you're good. You have no issue. You are not gonna have an error problem. You can watch YouTube now, and remember, you have to save it to watch later. And again, remember, if you guys go to the App Store, you guys are unable, they're still gonna not able to update. So if you still go to YouTube, that doesn't mean that it's up to date. So let's go to YouTube here. I'm of course seeing the update button. So if we press update, it's still the same thing. So you can watch YouTube in peace now. Remember not to close the app. Just if you want to close it, just close like that with your home button in one time. Don't double click and just close it completely, or else there will be an issue. So I recommend you do that instead of pressing it twice. Remember, you should close it like that, and then when you open it next time, you can continue your YouTube. Or else, if you accidentally close it, you can swipe up, and then you can clear app data and clear cache, and then YouTube will work fine. Okay? That's what I all have for this video. Remember, don't change